Hey, morning my friends on YouTube. Morning man, morning everybody. Hey, you know that as you can see now, we're on the boat again, you know. You see that? Yeah man. And we're setting up to go out. We're going to try and look some kingfish and some jack. You know, we're giving the snook and the snappers a little rest, you know. We're catching a lot of snook and snappers from the other day, so we're just giving them a rest. So we're on to the kingfish now and the jack and the tarpon. We need some action in the morning here. Right, Captain Seafoot? Yeah man, big up every time. Action time, alright? Yeah, but before we do that, you know, guys, we just want to take this time out, you know, to big up the subscribers, you know. Newcomers, keep subscribing, alright, watching the channel. And if you like the content, subscribe and see that little bell down the bottom of the screen. I think it's on the left hand side. Just press that little bell, right? So whenever we upload a video, you guys will get the video right away. Alright guys, and also I want to big up all my fellow Jamaican channels, you know, like Mr. Oran the Angler. Big up Mr. Oran the Angler. Big up Jamaica Wildlife and Spearfishing Jamaica. And you have another one, what's his name again? Real Fishing Kings of Jamaica. Big up on yourself, alright? And thanks for the support. We're going to put out the lines, right, Captain? So what you say? Let's go fishing, right? Alright, so come back guys, fish on. Big up. Alright guys, so I'm using a brighter color bait this morning. See there? Red and gold. Eagle claw. Because the water look kind of darkish, so they say when the water is dark, use a darker bait. The fish will see it better, you know? Well, let's try it now and see. Because this one I catch a lot of kingfish, you know. See there, look at the marks. The marks right there. Kingfish teeth, you know. Cut it up. There's a nice kingfish bait. So we're going out for the kingfish, so watch this bait in action. Are we ready to let out now? See there? Yeah man, bad eagle claw. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Ah, fish on. Ah. Yeah. Fish on man. Fish on man, yes. As I'm coming out man, fish on, this feel like a what now? Right at it, a big man. Yes man. Oh man, like a big jack. What a monster jack man. A fish on. Ah. Yeah man, you love this bait, eh? It looks so. Ah. This one. Ah. Yeah. Whoa! Be a little Kevin. Got him. Ah. Yeah. Nice king, man. Arrest him, Captain. Arrest him. Can I arrest him? Arrest now looks so good today at all, eh? Alright, the hook might hook here. Take it out first. The sea's up. Alright guys, so you see that? I tell you now, that is when the water is dark. Yeah. Nice kingfish man, Captain. Arrest him. Big up yourself man. Yes, me hook up. You still have the scale in your mouth?
Yeah, I feel like 9 pounds, 8 pounds, 8.
Feel like about 8, yeah man, you have the scale in your mouth. Alright, cool.
Nice one,
Put him
nice
in,
one.
put him in. Good one.
Beautiful.
Them always love this kind of bait. Always. Alright, come again. Come again. Fish on again. Fish on man, fish on. Hold him, hold him, hold him. Yes, hold him, captain. So have him? Have him, come on. Alright, no. Still have him. The captain get a hook up. Yeah, small one. That look like a frying pan one. Eh? Frying pan. Captain catch a frying pan fish. Alright. Oh, that little bit, you know. Yeah man, a frying pan that man. Oh yes man. Captain catch a frying pan size. Arrest him, captain, arrest him. Fish on, watch him jerk out your shoulder. Yeah man. Whoa, when bite off the nose of the youth. Yeah man, small kingers.
I'm gonna fry him up today.
Yeah man, fry him up today. Alright. Put him in the head there. Yes. Fish on guys, fish on man. Captain, hook up. Nice one, that's enough. Yeah man, kingers, nice one. Fight him. Don't give him a break, you know, because if you give him a break, he might shake off. Kingfish. Lead captain. Alright. No man, I'm big for real man. No, blow Kevin. That one a nice one. Ah, yeah.
Come on.
Jeez, guys, look at that man.
Yeah.
Arrest him.
Yeah, hold on.
Hold him. No, hold him, arrest him and nick this up. You want to deal with him big, you know. Take it out. Hold him tight, you know.
No, sir.
Captain. Jeez, some peace. No. Look for the big one the captain of man.
Like a mullet, a young mullet. Right? What we do, we put on a yellow piece of scandal bag on the back.
A scandal bag.
Yeah, scandal bag.
Government ban them bag there, the boss, and I get more of that, you know.
So you see what now? This do the trick. The
yeah, man.
Piece of yellow.
It look like a chapong tail.
Alright.
Why captain you are going well. Alright guys. Big up on yourself now, but go out again before the breeze catch you, so. Put out back them bait there again. Yeah man, fish on man, fish on! A big fish that man. You love that bait there, no? Careful, be careful. Can't put too much of slack jack. The jack shake. Alright, him now get to there, no? Him name everything, all the whole of the bait, everything him name off.
Alright. Come Jackie.
Yeah, I got him, I tail him.
Come Jackie. Yeah, Jackie.
I'm nice, Jack.
Not that big, but in size.
Yeah, look at size.
Yeah, size. Yeah, look at size.
Yeah, hold him, I got him.
Hold him now. Size, Nice one.
Nice one, Captain. Captain Seafoot. And the attack. And I'm about to arrest him because I'm not need to arrest him. Oh, yeah, arrest him. Yeah, man, nice shot, Mr. Seafoot, man. Good one. Alright guys, we didn't do that today, you know, guys. See there? Two nice kingfish. Alright, so see there, that one is my one.
Yeah.
And the other one, what else is captain on? That one look big, man.
This one I feel like about. Heavy man.
Heavy man, about what? 10, about 12 or?
Well, guess.
Yeah man, you guess, 13 pound.
This feel like about 9.
Alright, yeah. Sorry guys, that's it, you know. See there? Jack.
I'll fry this one.
Further one there. Captain, man.
So you know, you have
There, 4. Alright guys, so we have a good day today. Alright guys, as always, you know, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Fish on.
Big up.
Big up.